big old jerk bait that I got out of call that mystery tackle box. Never used it, but ooh, water's nice. Look at that. Oh,
Yeah.
Not a trophy, but it's a nice trout.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow. That was like 2 minutes and already connected that giant jerkbait. Anyway, can't even get it out of the mouth, but nice 16-inch fish, about 5 foot of water here on the edge of Lake Bourne. So Eric's with me again this morning. Give a shout out.
What's up?
And we're getting a nice early morning start. Launched out of Shell Beach, Camp O's. So they're more out in the middle there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just work. Ooh, it's a nice fish too.
Alright, that's a nice one.
The wind had kicked up.
Oh, there you go.
Oh my goodness.
That's a nice one.
That's a redfish there. Ah. That was not fair, man. I was not even looking at my bait. I hope that was a redfish.
You hope it was? Shoot. That was a nice
big
speckled trout.
Ah,
Yeah,
that was a big speckled trout. I didn't even want to think about that. That's a fish. Redfish. No. Another trout. That's a bass.
There you go.
Should be a good habitat for bass. There's grass and bait around here. Oh, there we go. Got it. Whatever.
Oh, look, it's
Small
back.
trout. Not too small. Yeah, something was hitting bait.
Yeah,
right
I saw
there.
it. I saw it when after you threw it.
Threw it right on the bait. Trout was waiting. Yeah, you like those VersaCorks?
Yeah, it's just quick.
Quick, yeah. Oh, there's a bass. Here one. Jerkbait's the same color as the bass. Trout.
So wait, no, it's back.
Trout in this deep spot in the bayou. Chunky bass. Another bass. It's a chunky bass. Hey, you got it with that bass today with that.
Yeah, with that lemon head.
There's that bass.
Mm.
So, you may have found us a bass hole at least.
Yeah. Damn bass hole.
Tell you, these little bass are good eating. You fry them up, they're as good as speckled trout. Alright. Trout too. Yeah, very nice. It's a good healthy one there. Sweet. Bend in the bayou.
Yeah.
New deal. I used a few weeks ago. Bend in the bayou, got this cut. Water's flowing out the cut into this bend.
See what I was doing? I was casting right that way, and that wind just blowing that bait, blowing the lure right out.
Oh yeah. Nice fish. Yeah, decent fish. They are in here.
Huh?
That's 12.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're trying to eke out a few trout here. It's tough. Trout are either scattered or they're just reluctant to bite.
Well, no, now we caught two in one spot.
Okay.
This one might be a nice one. That one, he hit that one on the drop.
Okay.
I didn't even think I really had him.
So, oh yeah. Quarter ounce man.
What I did, I'll let that one slowly drip to the bottom.
Nice fish. So it's kind of floating down, you think, and that's what's turning them
So
on.
maybe you, all right, maybe it is that quarter. Oh, got one. That was on a messed up cast.
Nice. They're all keeper trout.
Yeah.
Every one of them. So, all in all, a good day considering the bite. We had a lot of changing weather in the last week and it threw off the trout bite. The trout had been up on the shorelines, but they were in deep holes today. And most of the time, a very delicate bite. We caught most of them on swim baits. But anyway, it was another good day to be out in the water. And hey, leave any comments you have. And thanks for watching. Hope you can get out in the water too.